In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Slack with Salesforce on Slack. This integration empowers your team to access Salesforce data directly within your Slack workspace, enhancing productivity and facilitating seamless collaboration. Let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First things first, start by navigating to the Slack website. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your Slack account information. Now, for a more convenient login process, you can choose to sign in with your Google account. Simply click where you see Google and proceed with entering the necessary credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, focus your attention on the left panel in your Slack workspace. Here, look for the three dots icon. This is your gateway to further customization and integration options. Clicking these three dots will present you with various settings and functionalities related to your Slack environment. Next, navigate to Automations, which is conveniently located on this panel. By accessing Automations, you can explore the numerous integrations and apps Slack offers, amplifying your team's efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. Moving forward, locate and click on the Apps option. The Apps section is where you can browse and install applications that will enhance your workflows. What you'll do now is type Salesforce into the search bar. This action will quickly narrow down results and hone in on the Salesforce app specifically designed for Slack. Once you spot Salesforce for Slack among the search results, click on it. This app enables streamlined communication between Salesforce and Slack, making client interaction and customer management much more adaptable within your communication hub. With the app page open, look for the Add to Slack button. Click on it, and you'll start the integration process. This is where you authorize the connection between Slack and Salesforce, paving the way for a connected experience between the two platforms. You'll see a prompt seeking permission for this integration. This is simply requesting access to the necessary permissions to function optimally. Go ahead and allow this authorization, thereby completing the integration setup. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Salesforce into your Slack workspace. Now, team members can access, share, and manage Salesforce data all from within Slack, improving collaboration and streamlining workflows. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly integrated Slack workspace.